Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to track the FIFA World Cup 2026 results live on your computer. So to get started, let's open up Google Chrome, and as long as you have a web browser and stable internet connection, this should be no problem. So within Google Chrome, simply go to your search bar and type in FIFA World Cup results or standings. You should be able to see the results and scores of all the teams participating in the FIFA World Cup. And you can also check the results across the different stages. So right now there's the group stage, and then there's going to be the knockout stage, as you can see. So this is really useful and really quick and very convenient. If you want to use a website instead of the Google search summary and pull from an official source, then you can use a website like ESPN. So some of these websites will also be updated a bit more frequently or a bit faster than others, but overall these all should perform at pretty much the same level. So the first website is going to be ESPN. Simply go to espn.com and it should redirect you to the domain for your country. So here I have the FIFA World Cup table open, and it's pretty much the same as what you would see with your Google search result, although a bit more in depth. Other notable websites that I might recommend are FlashScore. Here you go. This is what FlashScore looks like. You also have the different stages with your main and your playoffs that you're going to be able to see here. And then lastly is going to be live score. Now live score is pretty much the simplest out of all of them, but that doesn't mean that it isn't complete. You're going to be able to see along with the scores, the upcoming schedules. So as you can see here, these are the schedules for all the matches. If you're planning on following your favorite team throughout the tournament, I recommend using this website. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.